Good morning, everyone. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with another show and tell. I'm going to show you one bracelet that has clear quartz, a clear quartz hanging from the bottom, rose quartz, and jasper. And I also want to let you all know that these bracelets were created with a counterweight balance, okay? Counterweight meaning that it's some weight. They have some weight that hangs from the bottom, that when you wear your bracelet, it will not all roll around on your bracelet. It'll pretty much keep it stable and in place. Now, it will move around, but it won't have your bracelet rolling to the back. And I'm going to show you all and explain that. This first bracelet that I'm going to show you is made with tarnish resistant wire. It also it's made with some pearls, and it has an elephant. Now, each one of these bracelets that have the animals hanging from the bottom, these are pendants, okay? So I'm going to try this on. This comes as a set, and as a matter of fact, this is free shipping on these bracelets. Free shipping. And this is the counterweight that I have hanging from the bottom. Okay, so that it will keep the bracelet, keep it from rolling to the back of your arm, okay? It will keep this part from rolling like this, because that weight is going to keep it where it's supposed to be. So this is the first one. This is like a sky blue. It has white, silver, some rondelle beads in there. Okay. And these are for sale, and this will be item number 1. If you're interested in anything that you see, please leave me a comment down and leave it in your comment, and to letting me know which item you're interested in, and I'm going to leave all my information down in my description box. If you like it, please reach out to me, or I'll reach out to you when I see your comment. If you write a comment, make sure you write the number of the item, okay? So this is item number 1. This will be item number 2. And this is the pink. And this is wrapped in brass wire. And this is also a set. So these 2 pieces is how it's going to come. This have the counterweight hanging from the bottom. All of these bracelets have counterweight that hangs from the bottom. And they all come with free shipping. Okay. All been handmade and handcrafted by me. These are my original designs. Okay, so we're going to go to the next one. This is the next one right here. This has a beautiful piece of jasper hanging from the bottom. This is made with rondelle acrylic beads. This is a set. These bracelets can fit anybody's wrist, even the average wrist. Actually, it's supposed to go this way. Okay. So this would be item number 3, and the one before this would be item number 2 if I did not say that. So this is item number 3. The pink one is item number 2. The blue one is item number 1. Okay. The next bracelet is this one right here, and this has the really raw rose quartz hanging from the bottom. This is raw rose quartz, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it has not been polished because it's raw. And okay, this is a set. Take a look at the beads and the cut on the beads. Okay, so this would be considered to be item number 4. And this is like a rose color. It's really pretty. Like a rose gold kind of, sort of. I hope you can see it now. Okay, so this is item number 4. And last but not least, we're going to go to item number 5. This is item number 5. And item number 5 have a really big chunk of clear quartz. And it also has a heart made with clear quartz. But this has been polished. It has a regular heart with rhinestones all through it. Okay. And you would wear it like this. And like I mentioned, that these bracelets come as a set and it's free shipping. Okay, so please send me an email with the price. This will be item number 5 of the one that you would like, if you're interested. So this concludes my today's show and tell. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell on the side. Make sure you hit the all button so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I would appreciate it if those of you who like this video, please like, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with someone. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.